Today I'm going to show you an absolutely free app that will pay you hundreds of dollars from anywhere in the world. And it works something like this. Step number 1 is to join for free. Step number 2 is to complete some simple tasks, which I'm going to show you how to do it. And finally, you'll get paid instantly. So just follow me through every second of this video because I'll show you how to set everything up properly, and if you stay until the end, you'll learn how to maximize your results. And if you're looking forward to today's tutorial, make sure to drop a like to this video and also to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one on how to make money online. The app that we will use today is called Cloudways, and this is over at cloudways.com. But don't make a mistake to just go straight to the website and try to figure it out on your own, because you'll get confused and waste your time, and you'll not make any money at all. Rather than that, just pay close attention to this video because I'll help you to do it properly. Cloudways is a cloud hosting platform. Business owners or entrepreneurs come here to get hosting for their websites, and they offer simplicity and choice, worry-free experience, and also performance that scales. This is a perfect web hosting platform because they have a lot of different features that other platforms don't. But don't worry, you don't need a website for this and you'll not buy their services. There is one simple feature on this platform that will make you a lot of money on complete autopilot, and you'll see exactly how to use that feature. And you can see that they have some massive companies as partners, and they also have a 4.5 stars on Trustpilot, so people definitely love them. And in order to start making money with Cloudways is to click here on the affiliate section, and it's going to take you over their affiliate program. By promoting Cloudways as an affiliate, you can earn hundreds of dollars. And also take a look at this. They will pay you instantly, get high commission instantly on every customer you refer. The more you refer, the more you earn. And they also have flexible models, and you'll be earning with consistency. So here you can earn money every single week, month or year, not only once. And you can double your earnings and earn up to $125 per person that you refer. And here you can calculate that if you refer, for example, 5 people, your total estimated earning is $250. But if you start referring more and more and more people, you can actually make a lot of money with this platform. Just by referring 46 to 80 customers, you'll make around $10,000. And I'm going to give you some traffic source which can bring you thousands of new people for absolutely free, so stay tuned. The way it works is that you'll join for absolutely free by signing up to their platform. After that, you're going to promote, and I'm going to show you how you can do that, and then you can start earning money. Just sign up to their affiliate program by clicking here on Become an Affiliate. And you can get started for absolutely free by putting your first name, last name, email, password, agree to their terms of service and privacy policy, and click here on Start Free. Or you can sign up using LinkedIn, GitHub, or your Google account. After that, all you need to do is to go over here on your account, click here on Affiliate Program, and now you need to fill out these details. For example, you can select your payout method, how you want to get paid, whether that's PayPal or fund transfer. And don't forget to verify your account. And after you're done with all of this, you need to agree to their Cloudways affiliate program terms and conditions, and then click here on Create your affiliate profile. Now you just need to start driving traffic to your referral link, and for this you need to go over to screencast-o-matic.com. This is an absolutely free screen recorder which you can install in your computer, and if you're using your smartphone, you can go over to App Store or Google Play Store, search for screen recorders and install them. And the reason why you need to do this is because I want you to make some simple YouTube videos like these ones right here about best web hosting services or platforms, and those videos will be watched by people that are interested in buying some web hosting services. And don't worry, you don't need to become a YouTuber or to show your face. That's why you're using a screen recorder, so you can just record your screen and go over to Cloudways, just like I'm doing right now, screen recording, and then start explaining more about Cloudways. Why is this the best of web hosting platforms? You can basically just read out what you're seeing in this screen, and for a better user experience and for a better tutorial, you can also sign up to their free trial here if you want. And this requires no credit card, so you can show your viewers how it looks like on inside, and then you can put your affiliate link in the description. So just make a video not longer than 5 minutes and their video will stay on YouTube forever. You don't need thousands of subscribers for this. You can start with 0 subscribers because you're not going to earn from the ad revenue. You're here to publish a video in order to attract people that are searching for web hosting platforms, so they can click on your video, can use their affiliate link, and each person can make you up to $125. And as you can see, these kind of videos are getting thousands of views, like 14,000 of views, 141,000 of views, 6.3 thousand of views, and so on and so forth. So this means that there is a lot of potential with this method. It is really simple and also a win-win situation because you're helping people that are searching for this kind of videos, and you'll be earning money on autopilot because you can do this just once and you can still make money. But if you don't want to use YouTube, there are a lot of other traffic sources which you can use, for example Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or you can use platforms like Quora or Answers.com. Here on Quora, people come to ask and answer questions about different things, and you can search, for example, what is the best hosting platform, and you can see all these people asking these questions, so you can reply to them and explain them in simple words why Cloudways is the best web hosting platform, and leave there your affiliate link. Once again, all you needed to do was to go over cloudways.com, become an affiliate on their affiliate program, get your affiliate link after creating your account, and go over to screencast-o-matic.com, download it for free, or you can go over to Google Play Store on App Store if you're using a smartphone, download the screen recorder, install it for free. After that, start making some YouTube videos about the best web hosting by recording your screen, so you don't need to show your face. You can go over to the cloudways.com website, read about the website, read about what you're seeing on the screen, and if you want to, you can even start a free trial for a better experience. And after that, just put your affiliate link on the description. And if you don't want to make those screen recorders for YouTube, you can go over to platforms like Quora, search for what is the best hosting platform, and find people that are looking for answers for this question. Reply to each of them and tell them about the website, and then leave out there your affiliate link. So just take massive action and start promoting Cloudways, because you can earn some decent amount of money from it. If you like today's strategy, make sure to give a thumbs up, to leave a comment down below, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thank you for watching.